Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we have a guest. Let's see who it is.
Hi everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse. Say, you want to come inside my clubhouse? Well, all right, let's go. Oh, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse. Say it with me. Miska, Muska, Mickey Mouse.
So children, just close your eyes and think that you're inside the clubhouse. And let's start our English class. Today again we are going to revise picture recognition. Let's revise the words with pictures. Pate, Kate, sit, hit, late, bit. Kid, laid, hid, made. Big, dig, fig, pig, wig. Wig. Bin, fin, pin, tin, win, green, twin. Beeb, rib, crib, zip, leap, dip, clip, sip, tip. Boat, coat, road, toad, loaf, soap, goat, goal, toast and float. Float यानी पानी के ऊपर तैरना. Boil, coil, foil, soil, oil, point, join, coin, oink. Tail, rail, nail, hail, pale, mail, rain. Look at the worksheets and start doing your work. If you can take a printout, please do it, or else set the notebook and start revising the words. Thank you, dear children. Stay happy, stay safe, and stay healthy.